Hello and welcome to Arts and Crafts with Steve McDonald. What I'm going to be doing today is showing you how I seal my alcohol pink pictures here in the UK, because I just cannot get hold of the Krylon Kamar varnish, UV and protector. So I used crystal clear, which seals, protects and enhances, and it also has a UV protector in it as well. So the first coat I go over it quite quickly with a very fine mist in both directions, as you can see here. So I'm certainly not trying to saturate the paper, which is UPO paper. I'm just giving it a very fine top coat. And I've never had a problem with it moving my inks or causing a problem or changing the colour. But when I do spray, I always wear a mask because it does smell, and I prefer this one. It sits better on your face, and if you wear glasses, your glasses don't steam up as well, but either mask will do. So this is a second picture that I need to seal. It hasn't been sealed yet. So once again, I'm going over it with a very quick coating in both directions. I'm probably about 15 to 18 inches away from the paper here. So this is its second coat, and as you can see, I'm going a lot slower on this second coat to allow it to cover, and I did actually go in both directions. So the original picture, again, it's had 10 minutes, it's dried in 10 minutes, and again I'm going over it quite slowly to ensure that I give it a good cover. And this is a gloss spray, so it will give a shiny finish. You can, I believe, get this in matte as well. So once again, going over it in the second direction. It hasn't darkened or changed the colours. When it's dry, you wouldn't know it was on there. So that's how I seal it here in the UK, because I cannot get hold of the Kamar, the Krylon. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe, like and share where you can. Thank you. Bye.